Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Chillbro107. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe my channel for pro gaming tips, gaming videos, gaming tricks of popular games like Free Fire, PUBG and on other trending topics. So in my last video, I showed you how to earn money by playing Free Fire. So please check it out. Also a gaming update, that is the new season I started today in Free Fire. So I am trying to make a new video on this season, that is how to get more batches in this new season. So please don't miss it out. I'll be releasing the video soon. Everyone wants to play like a pro in any game. So I thought of bringing a series on how to play like a pro in Free Fire. So for this, I wanted to start with the guns. In this first video of the series, I want to show you what are the 5 best guns, that is 5 best assault rifles we can use to play like a pro and win more matches in Free Fire. So don't forget to subscribe my channel because I'll be bringing more videos like this in this series. So without any delay, let's get into the video. As you all know, XM8 is one of the most popular and largely used gun in Free Fire at present. The advantage of this XM8 is it has pre-attached 2x scope. So you don't have to search for a 2x scope and attach it. By default, it has 2x scope. But you cannot remove 2x scope and add 4x or thermal scope if you want. And also, it has good fire rate as well. It can do a good damage to your enemies. Most of the players use XM8 frequently and it is very useful one. It's one of the best guns in Free Fire. Try it out and let's go to the next one. AK-47 is one of the most popular gun and used by many pro players in the game. For AK-47, as you all know it does not provide any scope by default, so have to attach scope when you get it. AK-47 with 4x scope is very useful. It is very handy in a squad mode especially. Its fire rate is also very high. This gun also helps us to survive when your enemy is near to you. And it also helps you to survive till the last in any mode of the game. So try it out and let's go to the next one. Dragno is a sniper rifle. This is also not available everywhere and it is only available in your bounty or in a drop. But the disadvantage of the gun is the fire rate of the gun is low. That is, you cannot fire by holding the fire button for a long time. You have to continuously tap the fire button to fire continuously or fire fast. But it can do a very high damage to your enemy. Sometimes it can do a 60 damage for a bullet to your enemy. It is really very helpful in the game. Let's move on to the last one. Groza is one of the best guns and one of the most favorite guns of many players in Free Fire. Groza is used by many pro players in the game, but Groza is not available everywhere. It is only available in the drop or in your bounty. It is not available in other places. Its fire rate is very high. You can attach any scope of your choice to this gun and it could be really helpful for you in the game. And it is one of the most painful and one of the most effective guns in Free Fire. I am sure that every one of you would have tried it, and let's go to the next one. SKS is also a fine gun in Free Fire. It has pre-attached 4x scope. Though the fire rate is low, the reason I added this gun in this list is for the damage it does. Sometimes it can do a 40 to 50 damage for a bullet to your enemy. That is the reason I have added SKS in this list. So don't forget to try these assault rifles, and I am sure that you will play like a pro after using this. In my view, these are the 5 best assault rifles to play like a pro in Free Fire. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos like this, because I'll be continuing this series with lots of interesting videos and lots of engaging concepts coming up. So please do comment in the comment section what do you think are the 5 best assault rifles in Free Fire to play like a pro. So I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep smiling.